Welcome back, everybody, to a place where you get encouragement and weekly insights about how to have a good mental health. Thank you for coming back to our channel. Our new subscribers, please help us with the YouTube algorithm and subscribe, like, share, and comment. And our returning subscribers, we're very thankful. Thank you for watching, subscribing. Just keep around the channel, move around. I've made so many videos that when I'm off, you can keep revisiting the channel and going through and sharing. So when I was growing up, I had a phobia. I had a fear for water. And I believe and I hope some of you might be going through what I went through. Maybe you fear climbing, you fear jumping, you're afraid of water, or you were afraid of heights, or even flying. And one of the things that compromise our mental health is when we have some phobias in our lives, things that we haven't worked on. When you have a phobia in your life, it prevents you from doing so many things. Today, I'm here with my friend who helped me to overcome a phobia. He used exposure therapy to help me. We used to come here with him and try to swim slowly by slowly. We began just like from here to there one day, and the next day like that, and he taught me how to swim until I got better. So that phobia that I had when I was young grew more because my mom stopped me from coming to the riverside, and she didn't want me to come down here to do washing or even to swim, because my uncle died, was found dead in this river when I was young. And it has helped me, my mental health, and it has helped me. I always try to go swimming, so that phobia never comes back. So phobias can be helped. You can visit a counselor if you have some phobias going on in your life. Maybe you're afraid to swim, or you're afraid just to move on a boat. Exposure therapy is the best to help you with this issue. And I like to come down here with my friend. We met. We've been together for a long time, and he remained on the river. He does a lot of work around here. When you want a very nice fish, he can get it to you. So I just here to appreciate the power of exposure therapy. We were young and he used exposure therapy, but when I went to university and I started about counseling, I learned that exposure therapy was very helpful in helping people treat phobias and fears. So get in there and try to explore your life and get out of your comfort zone and explore those failures, explore those phobias that you have. Maybe you fear, you want to do business, you want to swim or try to learn how to drive yourself or take care of your own life and do a lot of stuff in your life, but you're stuck. You're stuck in there. You can't even go on a boat cruise like this because of your phobias. I fought my phobia that I had when I was growing up, and I believe you too can do this. Just seek help. You can contact me, you can talk to me, any other counselor. They can help you improve in your mental health. Phobias are very deadly. They prevent so many people from achieving stuff, because all the time you'll be afraid of doing stuff. All the time you need to rely on people. It would be nice if those phobias are not making you worried, but if you are not doing something but you keep worrying all the time, you keep saying, oh, I wish I did it, you keep in regrets, then I think it's a good time for you to start to work on those phobias. We all have fears, but some phobias are on a larger context, and you have to work on them and improve your life. This new year, 2022, we have to focus on so many things. We went to the caves and we saw the caves, and we went to the community down there and we saw people that were washing clothes, and we saw the houses and the boats, and we saw the bridge. We came up back here and we saw the birds, and we went to the bungee jump, and we saw how people are trying to enjoy that. I'm not a fan of bungee jump. I think it's not a very safe game, but if you want to do it, it's okay. You can come to River Nile and explore. I grew up here and I've been seeing most of this stuff, but I keep coming back to see more and more, because nature is really beautiful, and all the time you see it, you want to see it more and more and more. So thank you so much. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you in another video talking about nature. Today's video we were talking about how to help yourself fight phobias that you have in your life. Phobias prevent you from having a good mental health, and they keep you like a slave. You know, you want to do something and you can't do it. You want to drive. You want to learn how to drive. You have money. You want to give to charity. You want to give so many people, but you fear that maybe you're going to be bewitched. Something wrong is going to happen to you. All those things are caused by fear. Fear is a very bad thing. Let's try to eliminate that out of our lives this year. That's our new target. So all the best. See you in the next one.